Hey squads, ready to dive into the world of copywriting? Buckle up because I'm about to take you on a copytastic adventure. Welcome to my channel where I serve up the juiciest tips and tricks. Today it's all about becoming a copywriting champ. So let's do this. Step 1, understanding copywriting. So, what the heck is this copywriting? Well, it's like a word wizard try mixed with sales sorcery. Copywriting is all about sprinkling magic words to sell stuff, products, services, or even a rock. Yep, that's right. Even a rock can be sold with the right words. Step 2, study successful copy. Time to put on your detective hat, my fellow word nerds. Grab your favorite ads, websites, and sales letters and start studying. What makes them so damn successful? Look out for those sneaky tactics and see how they're playing mind games with us. Step 3, develop writing skills. Get those typing finger warmed up, folks. Becoming a copywriter means flexing those writing muscles. Start with some warm up exercises like write blog posts, funny tweets, or sassy captions. The more you write, the more epic you'll become. Step 4, identify your target audience. Time to stop. Study your target audience. You gotta know your people inside out, like knowing what they had for breakfast last Tuesday, understand their desires, fears, and dreams. Once you get inside their heads, you'll be their word whisperer. Step 5, master the art of headlines. Headlines, my friends, are Beyonce of copywriting. They gotta be sizzling hot and grab attention like a cute puppy video. Practice crafting headlines that scream, "Hey, you, yes, you, come read me." Step 6, focus on benefits. Nobody likes a show off, so stop bragging about features. It's all about the benefits, baby. Tell them how your stuff will change their lives, solve their problems, and make their crush fall head over heels for them. Step 7, create a compelling call to action. All right, people, it's sure time to slap on that CTA like a high five. Make it snappy, exciting, and as irresistible as free pizza. Don't leave them hanging. Tell them what to do next. Step 8, build a portfolio. Wanna be a copywriter is rock star? Show off your skill with a killer portfolio. It's like your copywriting resume, but with pizzas. Collect all your best works, and trust me, you'll be impressive peeps left and right. Step 9, network and collaborate. Break out the virtual party hat spokes. It's time to mingle with the cool kids in the copywriting world. Network like a pro and join forces with other word wranglers. Teamwork makes the dream work, baby. Step 10, stay updated and keep learning. Copywriting is like a fashion, it changes faster than a viral dance challenge. Stay in the loop, read blogs, take online courses, and level up your copy game. Remember, knowledge is power. And there you have it, copywriting champs. You are now equipped with the wordplay superpowers to conquer the copy universe. I hope you had as much fun as I did on this wordtastic ride. If you enjoyed the show, smash that like button, subscribe, and join our copy loving tribe. Keep slinging those words like a boss, and I'll catch you on the flip side. Peace out.